In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn your professional account back to personal on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app and then go to your profile. After that, tap at Menu, select Settings and Privacy, then tap at Creator Tools and Controls, and that's where we can easily find the Switch Account type. If we tap on it, it will show us two different options, and the first one is Switch to Personal Account. We need to tap on it, then switch to personal account, and after a couple of seconds your account will be switched to personal. Then we can go to our profile, and as you can see, professional dashboard is no longer located on my profile, and that means that I have just successfully converted my professional account to personal.